Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. It's gonna be a hectic ride. Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. We're somewhere in the central tablelands. I can't tell you where I am, unfortunately, but we're somewhere in the central tablelands and it is on Trail Fork. So if you want to find it, it's up to you, but I'm not gonna be the one to tell you because I don't want to get in trouble. So I am here with Sarah, EWS rider, and we're here with Jake, who you saw on the vlogs when we went down to the Snowy Mountains. He is a great rider and suspension guru. He will help me with some videos and suspension stuff in the future. But yeah, we're going to do a few runs here. So we'll go up to the top. I'm not going to film the climb because climbs are boring, and we'll see you up there. In the meantime, while we climb up, I'll do a quick bike check with Sarah. Okay, Sarah, so tell us in about a minute about your bike.
Alrighty, well, lots to tell. So I ride a Pivot Firebird 29er because 29ers are the bomb. We're running Max's tyres. So we got an Assegai double down Max grip at the front, Exo Plus Max's DHF at the rear, running race face carbon bars and race face dropper lever, which is pretty nice. We're running the TRP G-Spec brakes as well, 203 rotor front, 180 rear. We also got a 1-up dropper, 170 dropper, which is really nice. And of course, as you can see here, dope Fox suspension.
Yeah, just put the coil on today.
Yeah, fresh coil, so keen to see how we go. Never ridden a coil before, so should be good.
Yeah, so what's your favorite thing about the bike?
Speed.
Speed?
Speed. It's so quick.
Yeah.
And it just climbs like nothing else. So good for the whole day. Gets you up to the top, and then you have a hell of a good time going down. So
it's pretty much an enduro bike that you can pedal all day and just absolutely slay the descents.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
And yeah, just the 29er wheels on the side, that extra beastness, or
Beast.
freak mode, if you want to call it that.
Yeah.
Absolutely destroys anything in its path.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So we'll see you on the trail today and we'll see how that coil goes.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, too easy. Dropping in, nice and smooth. So we hiked up the trail and it was, as you can tell, super loose. But, pretty gnarly. Oh shit! This is crazy loose. There's so many loose rocks. It's insane. Gotta be super careful here. Oh shit. Oh, dab. Don't use too much rear brake. No panicking. The rocks on the main line. Take a break for a second. Okay, so this is the steepest part. You will use more front brake here. Ding. More front brake. Oh, made it. How crazy is that? Okay, made it down the hard part. Oh. Okay, alright, now for a little bit of a motorway section. Fast. Get there is. Ah, blackberries! Wow. Alright, let's see what the second trail's like. Doesn't look as loose as the first one. So we'll see. Riding this one blind, the first one was walked up, so. Ooh, feature. Oh shit. Yeah. You. Oh, this is gnarly. Woo! Oh, loose. Okay, back into it. And Jake disappears. Oh, oh. Yeah, all good. Oh, shit. So we got up to the top to try one of the new trails here, but it's still super loose, so even looser than the ones we've done before. So we'll just go over to one of the more well-known ones and do that. We'll go over and do that one. It's definitely super loose. Right? Don't know if I'd travel 2 hours out of Sydney to probably come here alone, but if you're definitely going to Orange and stuff like that around here, then it would definitely be worth coming here because it's pretty fun. Fire road bomb. Okay, well, last trail. I think it's a moto trail, so expect long straights. Followed by actually oh. Decisions. Like, we need to go that way eventually, but that goes, oh, it goes all the way back. No, we go this way. You're right. All right, back into it. All right, back into it. Yeah, definitely a motor trail. Something I can see potential-wise with a lot of these motor trails is becoming like really good e-bike trails, because you can just motor through everything. The suspension works a bit better on an e-bike, but no, it's still really good on a normal bike. Oh. Home stretch. Oh, what's that log? Getting dusty. It's actually a pretty long descent. Got something cool going on here. We've got Magura calipers, Shimano levers. Pretty cool. Got the Shiguras. So you get kind of like the feel of the Shimano lever and then the power of the Magura levers, which are pretty cool. Can Firebirds run a coil? That's the question. They feel good, but will it last? So we just finished up the ride. It was actually really good, yeah. If you're probably coming out this way, then I would definitely recommend it, but there's definitely huge potential for some really long trails out here. But yeah, we'd only come here as like a one-off just to see it, and then if you were traveling past, then I'd definitely give it a visit as well. Also, thank you for 500 subscribers, pretty stoked with that, and got some big announcements coming soon for the channel, which should be pretty good. But if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, also subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment too. I'm always happy answering your comments. Thanks guys.